Hey there, it's Clint with Clint's Classic World. Want to give you an update, heading right now to check out my vehicle up north here in Texas. Check out that 1970 440 6-pack Challenger Shaker N96. Gonna go check it out. It's of course getting the body work done. So I'm driving right now, just heading over there. I'm gonna see how things are progressing. It is a little bit slow, but man, there's a lot of meta work to do. So anyways, subscribe to my channel and let's take a look at that Challenger. Well, there was the video and update of the 1970 440 6-pack Super Track Pack Shaker Challenger that I'm working on here. That car has a lot of work to go. It has been a slow process, but will continue, and it is progressing slowly. So need to get a few more panels here and there, but as you could see, that supporting structure underneath that car, it needs a ton of support. There's going to other brackets and things will be welded in, other bracing. Because a lot of that sheet metal is going to come off of that car, especially in the back because it's tubbed. All the tubs they're going to be gone. Cutting all of that out and then putting in all original type structuring with wheel wells and everything back together to build that car back to original specs. So keep watching my channel. I will continue to give you updates as I get them. And subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time.